It's my channel, so we need to go buy a lot of stuff for the snowstorm.
We're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff for the snowstorm. People are saying it's gonna be 6 inches, so we gotta get a lot of stuff for the snowstorm.
I thought it was that always musty. So I think I get this one and all of this because I want to get.
Javi's buying that because we're getting a huge snowstorm tomorrow, and he needs stuff to play with, right?
Yes. We got the hot dog.
Javi's getting hot dogs. We need orange juice, right, Mia? We need hot dogs.
And we need a Stanley, but I heard they don't have any more. Hey guys, so we got everything from Target, and this bag is so heavy.
We got all the stuff we need because we're getting a huge snowstorm. Let's go see how much snow it is. And then tomorrow there's going to be so much snow because I think we're going to get about, I think it said 8 inches, maybe more. We're going to have to check the news again.
No, 100. I think so.
You think you're going to get more snow, Javi?
Yeah, and I know it's 100 or a million.
Oh, like a million snowflakes?
Yes.
Okay, let's go see outside how it is right now.
I get so much snow. It's already so cold. Look at all these snowflakes.
Can you guys see the snowflakes?
My goodness.
Oh, yep, they can see
I
the
feel like
snowflakes.
I want to get one.
Maybe
You wanna
we're
get
gonna
one?
like this about inches. We don't know, but maybe more.
I know.
My
Oh,
goodness.
we'll
I
see
wanna go
tomorrow.
back
Let's go
inside.
inside. Come on, the snow is coming. Look at all this snow we have. We told you that we would have snow tomorrow morning, and here it is. You're good. Okay, good job. Go in the yard. Oh my goodness, that was so scary.
What's happening?
Go.
What?
I'm ready. Whoa! Whoa! Are you okay? Yes, I got it on film. Yes, do it again. Ah, the tree!
Oh! You saw that one?
Yes, I did. Ah! Are you trying to throw snowballs at me, little boy?
Hey!
Snowball fight! You need help? You're stuck? You got You got it, Javi. You got this. You got this. Oh, no. You got this, Javi. Run, run, run. Ooh. You got this. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Ah, ah, no. Don't fall in the bushes. Oh no.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, I gotta help you out. Oh no, I think we're both gonna fall. I'm gonna give you your push. Ah no, your hands. Your hands are gonna freeze. Okay, come on. This is, you got it? You left your jet ski.
It's gonna come. It's not.
Javi, I have your sled. Ah! Why are you throwing snow at me? Don't attack me! Snowball fight! No, I'm not ready for this! Ah! Okay, you have to go down the big hill. Are you stuck? My goodness. Javi's so brave. Ready, Javi?
I will go faster.
You wanna go faster? You gonna run? Okay.
Javi, let's make a snowflake.
Whoa, 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 watch out! Whoa! Oh!
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Glad you're good.
Wait.
Watch out! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you okay? Are you eating some snow? I see you eating some snow over there. You're crazy. Look at how he just shoving the snow in his mouth.
That was more good.
You're doing a great job. You have more grip now. Going down that slide pretty good.
I dare you to.
Then I'm going to do that now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Watch
That's so funny.
out! You're good? Javi, stop eating the snow. Javi's been eating the snow the whole entire time he's been out here. Ah! Whoa, are you okay?
That's a good one.
That was a good one?
Help me.
This is crazy. All this snow. I'm gonna push you. Stay right there. Get ready. You ready? This is too crazy.
No.
Okay, that's a wrap. We're gonna go inside. Let's go, Javi.